As you have probably guessed from the intro and my unusual outfit, today I would like to introduce you to the Ukrainian national cuisine. Yes, it is true, it can be quite greasy and heavy, but I would like to share with you my favorite lighter version of Ukrainian borscht. No, it's borscht. Yes, you got it. My grandmother used to say, if a Ukrainian woman cannot cook a real borscht, she cannot be considered a good housewife. Excuse me, what? Yes, it is true. We Ukrainians take our borscht very seriously. In fact, Ukrainians can eat borscht up to several times a week. No kidding. Even in the summer. Ladies and gentlemen, just here and now, the secret recipe of my grandma borscht. I have already started with the preparation of chicken broth. Dice the onion into small cubes. Peel and rasp 1 carrot. Slice potatoes into small cubes. Before peeling the beets, I suggest to rub your hands with oil. Slice beetroots into small matchsticks. Look, hands are clean. Shred the cabbage with a big knife into tiny strips. The vegetables are ready to be cooked. Sauté onion cubes and carrots in a bit of olive oil for 5 minutes. Add beets and cook for another 5 minutes. Add some salt and pepper and add some garlic. 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Add some tomato paste and season the sauce with pepper, salt and dried dill. Now I added some potatoes to the chicken broth and 5 minutes later add the cabbage. Put the sauce into the broth. Cook borscht for another 10 minutes. I like to add lemon juice to the borscht. Add some more dill. Decorate your borscht with sour cream and dill. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to subscribe.